State Public Complaint and Anti-Corruption Agency said on Tuesday it uncovered a warehouse where diverted palliative rice worth 1 billion naira was being kept. The Anti-Corruption Agency said the warehouse, located at Ring Road in Nasarawa local government area, was still doing an operation led by its chairman, Mu'uyi Rimingado. According to the agency, bags of rice with the picture of President Bola Tinubu and the inscription Ramadan Kareem were found in the warehouse. The Punch reports that Rimingado said the facility was stockpiled with 28 trucks of rice allegedly diverted by some individuals for a bargain. The chairman said the diversion of the commodity was an illegal and corrupt act which will not be condoned by the agency. In a nutshell, this is a clear form of corruption because this is a property meant for the public. Considering the hardship we have today, somebody has the temerity to come and start rebagging it. We've recovered a rebagging machine for repacking and rebagging rice meant for the public. So, we are here based on investigative activities. We are armed with our search warrant, arrest warrant, and court order, Rimingado said. He said the agency will conduct a thorough investigation with a view to uncovering those behind the theft. For now, we have arrested one person and we will make sure we uncover those behind it and forestall these kinds of activities, Rimingado said. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates and exclusive videos.